Hello everybody, it's Mick from Bushcraft. I posted a video not so long ago about my new Victorinox Trailmaster, or Trekker as I think it's known in the US, and the reasons I wanted to get this particular knife was I wanted a knife that I could carry in my pack or in a smaller pack when we're just going out for the day or a few hours. And the main reason for me buying it was if I can find it, was the saw. I wanted a reasonable sized saw to be able to cut little bits for pegs or spoons or walking sticks, things like that, and so I'd always have it with me. I've got my bigger saw, my folding saw, but that's for bigger projects. This was just for smaller, sort of finger size, slightly thicker, well even thicker than that really, like I say, for making pegs and things like that. So that was the reason I wanted this particular knife. So I'm going to go out and just have a little bit of a play with it, and we'll see how we get on.